Good morning students, welcome back to our MS online classes, and today we are going to study the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is chapter 8, the town mouse and the country mouse. Now this is a very beautiful story about the two mouse, the one who lives in a town and the other who lives in the country. So what happened once, the town mouse once visited a relative who lived in the country. Now where did he live? He lived in the country. Country means what? It is a village side, and town means what? It is city. Okay, so the city mouse, what he did? He visited the country mouse, and when he visited over there for the lunch, the country mouse, he served wheat stalks, roots and corns and a dash of cold water for drink. So all these things was given for the town mouse so that he can enjoy his lunch with the country mouse. And the town mouse, what he did? He ate it very sparingly, nibbingly, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Means थोड़ा सा ये चखना, थोड़ा सा वो चखना, okay, and then धीरे-धीरे चबा-चबा कर खाना. So he was eating slowly, gradually, by chewing it properly, and in a manner that she liked the plain food very much. And the town mouse, you know, they are eating foods like junk foods, especially pastries, cakes, cheese. They used to enjoy all these things. But in the country mouse, they don't find all these things, right? So he was the town mouse. She was showing that as if she is enjoying this country food, and that is why she was, you know, nicely relaxing and then enjoying the food that she is liking, the simple food. And after the meal, what happened? The two friends, they talked long. They were talking for the long hours that what is happening in their life. And the town mouse, he talked about the life in the city, how is the life over there, and the country mouse was busy listening to that. After that, they went into the bed, and the bed was in the hedge row, and they slept quietly, comfortably till the morning. And what happened in the dream of the country mouse? That she dreamed that she was a town mouse. उसके सपने में आया कि वो town mouse बन गई है, and with all the luxuries and the delights of the city life, her friend has described of her. Means जैसे उसकी friend जो town में रहती थी, उसके पास जो facilities है, all the luxuries है, तो all those facilities are there with the country mouse. She dreamed of all these things. So the next day, what happened? When the town mouse asked the country mouse to go home with her to the city, she gladly said yes. किसी के घर पे जाते तो हम उनको बोलते राइट कि आप हमारे घर चलोगे, तो वैसे ही टाउन माउस ने कंट्री माउस को पूछा कि तुम मेरे घर चलोगी, तो उसने फटाफट हाँ बोल दिया, बिकॉज शी रियली वांटेड टू गो टू द टाउन एंड सी व्हाट आर द लग्जरीज ओवर देयर, हाउ इज द लाइफ ओवर देयर. And that is why she gladly means what? She happily said yes. And when they reached in the mansion, now where was the town mouse living? The town mouse was living in a mansion, a big house, in which they found the table in the dining room. Okay, there was a big table in the dining room, and on that table there was a very fine banquet, and there were sweet meats. What all things were there? There were sweet meats, jellies, pastries, delicious cheese, and means all the tempting foods were there. Tempting means what? देखते ही मुंह में पानी आ जाना, right? So both the mouse, when they saw this food, you know, the mouth started watering. उनके मुंह में पानी आने लग गया, and because the food was very tempting for them. But as the country mouse was about to nibble a dainty bit of pastry, she heard a cat mew loudly. Means जैसे ही country mouse ने सोचा कि मैं ये पेस्ट्री का एक बाइट खा लूं, वैसे ही उसे बिल्ली की आवाज आई. She heard the cat mew loudly, and when the cat scratched the door, what happened? The mice, they scurried to the hiding place. Scurried means what? They ran very quickly to the hiding place, and there they lay down quietly for some times, okay, till the cat go away. बिल्ली के जाने तक वो चुपचाप एक ही जगह पर वहाँ पर छुप कर बैठे, and they were even not daring to breathe. You know, if they are breathing like this, then what is going to happen? That the cat will come to know automatically that the mouse are hiding in this place. That is why they didn't even dare to breathe. And at last, when they came back, when they ventured back to the feast and opened the door, what they saw? That the servants had already come into the dining room, and they started clearing the table, and whatever the things were there on the table, they cleared off the table. And the country mouse stopped in the town mouse den only long enough to pick up her carpet bag and umbrella. Now the country mouse learned a lesson. What lesson she learned? She just stood there for a minute just to pick up her bag and her umbrella, and what she said, to the town mouse, you may have all luxuries and dainties that I don't have, but I prefer my plain food and simple life in the country with peace and security that go with it. Means what? उन्होंने क्या बोला कि तुम्हारे पास सारी लग्जरीज होगी, सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें होगी, टेम्पटिंग फूड होगा, सब कुछ होगा, बट स्टिल शी इज गोइंग टू लाइक, शी इज गोइंग टू प्रेफर, मतलब उसे वही खाना पसंद है, सिंपल खाना, उसकी लाइफ में शांति है, सिक्योरिटी है कि कोई उसको पकड़ने नहीं आएगा, कोई बिल्ली उसको खाने नहीं आएगी. सो शी इज हैविंग दैट पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी इन हर लाइफ. So she said goodbye to her friend, and she, then she never returned back to the town. Why? Because there was no peace and there was no security. So what do you learn from this story? What is the moral of the story? That poverty and security are better than plenty in the midst of fear and uncertainty. Means अगर आप गरीब हो, आपके पास सिक्योरिटी है, अच्छा खाना है, सिंपल लाइफ है, तो वो कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि आप बहुत पैसे वाले हो बट आपके लाइफ में शांति नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, आपके ऊपर हमेशा डर बना हुआ रहता है कि कहीं मुझे कुछ हो ना जाए, समथिंग विल हैपन टू यू पीपल. सो इफ देयर इज नो सिक्योरिटी, देयर इज नो पीस इन योर लाइफ, इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ मनी, देन व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दैट? सो पॉवर्टी इज बेटर देन such having such money or such luxuries in your life. So I hope you people have understood this story or this chapter. If you have not understood, please do ask me on Google Meet. Thank you so much.